Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the percentage and its application chapter, and the concept is discount. Okay, this is the sixth video on this chapter, and last class we have already discussed about profit and loss. And today about discount. What are the concepts used in the discount that we'll discuss. Okay, so first thing is MRP or marked price. What is marked price? Whenever you visit a shop, the rate printed on the article is called maximum retail price or MRP. In short, we can call it as MP or marked price. Okay, so what is marked price? The printed price of an article is called the MP or marked price. Okay, so this marked price include all the taxes and whatever by the government included in this MRP. Okay, it include also the transportation cost. So no need to extra after MRP. The customer will not pay anything extra to the shopkeeper. And next thing is what is discount? Discount means the deduction allowed on MRP. Okay, and what is deduction? The less. Whenever you are asking for a discount means it is in percentage. Suppose the price of a pen is 100 rupees, then if you ask for 10% discount, then 10 rupees will be minus from 100 rupees and that will be 90. So always the discount is in percentage. So discount means MRP minus discount price, that is the discount price in percentage. Next is what is net price. Net price is the after discount, the price is called the net price. So the selling price after discount is called the net price. So we can call it the selling price after discount. It is called net price. Now some formulas we'll discuss. So first formula here, SP means the selling price. How to calculate the selling price of an article? The formula is marked price minus discount is called the selling price of an article. Now when discount percentage is given and marked price is given, how to calculate the SP? So SP means the selling price. So whenever the discount percentage is given, so 100 minus discount percentage upon 100 into the marked price is equal to the selling price. So whenever this data is coming, then we can easily calculate the selling price. Now what is discount percentage? Also called rate of discount. Rate of discount formula is discount upon marked price into 100. So this formula is rate of discount or discount percentage. Whenever the discount is given and the marked price you can easily calculate the discount percentage. Now comes what is marked price when the selling price is given and discount price is given. So whenever the selling price and discount percentage is given, the formula is selling price into 100 upon 100 minus discount percentage is called the marked price. You can calculate the marked price of the article. Now one new concept is there, list price. What is list price? Suppose sometimes I already told some taxes are included in your price. Okay, the taxes may be sales tax, now it is GST is there. Okay, so the GST already included in the price. Now in some article they are taking extra GST. Okay, suppose the GST is added or any sales tax is added. So without tax, a price of an article without tax is called list price of the article. Again I am repeating, the list price is the amount or the price without tax, and what is price that is called, that is the list price. Okay, based on these formulas we are going to solve some word problem. Look at this question. Find the selling price when the marked price is given, that is 550, and discount is given, that is 10%. So here first of all we will calculate the discount, then we can calculate the selling price. So what is discount? Here discount percentage is given. So what is the discount amount? Discount amount equal to amount equal to how much? 10%, that is 10 upon 100 of what? Of the mark price. Always the discount is calculated upon the mark price. So 10% means 10 upon 100 into the mark price. Here it is 550. Okay, so 0 cut here, 0. So what is left here? Rupees 55. So what is we got here? The discount amount is 55 we got. Then we have to calculate what? Selling price. It is asking the selling price. So what is the formula of selling price? Selling price equal to mark price minus discount amount. Discount. So what we got here? Discount. Mark price already we know in the question is given, that is 550 minus discount. How much you got in discount here? That is 55 rupees. 55 rupees. So just simplify it. 10 minus 5, 5. 14 minus 5, 9. And 4 here. So 495 is the selling price of the article. Okay. Now look at the next question. The next question say that find the rate of discount when the mark price is given 600 and the selling price is given 510. So what is asking here? Rate of discount or discount percentage. For that you have to calculate the discount first. So first find out the discount. Discount equal to selling price minus mark price. Okay, because the mark price minus the selling price. So mark price minus selling price. So what is the mark price here? That is 600 rupees. And what is the selling price here? That is 510 rupees. So what is the difference you got here? 90 rupees. So the discount you got here 90 rupees. If you know the discount amount, then easily we can find out the discount percentage. Okay, let's find discount percentage equal to discount amount, that is 90 upon, always the discount is calculated upon the mark price. I already told. So what is the mark price here? That is 600 into 100. Just simplify it. 15 6 90. So what you got here? 15. What is 15? That is percentage, because discount percentage is asking. So what the answer you got here? 15%. So according to the question, the rate of discount is 15% when the mark price is 600 and the selling price is 510. Okay.